Hello, Tiffany here. Today, we're going to explore a tool that can change the way you work and help you survive in the digital world. On Survivor, we learned that to survive, you need more than just luck. You need to be able to adapt, be tough, and of course, have a smart plan. You need smart solutions and a good plan. In the digital fight, this means making things automatic and working well. Imagine making your digital tasks automatic, not wasting time on jobs you do over and over, and having more time to be creative and grow, like connecting apps, moving information automatically, and creating a way of working that does the job for you, even when you're sleeping. And saving time. Time you can spend with your family, on your hobbies, or growing your business. n8n is the best tool for making things automatic, your helper for digital survival. It connects hundreds of apps from your favorite social media to special CRM tools without you having to write any computer code. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your daily life, a multi-tool that helps you with every problem. You just drag and drop boxes, making visual ways of working that you can understand and change easily. You can make ways of working that read emails, reply to messages automatically, or sort your mail. They create content, or make chatbots with AI to answer customer questions and help you grow your business. Unlike other tools, n8n is free, giving you the freedom to try things out and create without limits. It's open source and gives you full control, letting you change it to fit your needs and add new features. Let's see how you can use it. Get ready to find a world of automatic tasks and boost how much you get done. Time for some smart thinking. With n8n, you have two choices: cloud or self-hosting. Cloud is easy, but it has a subscription that gets more expensive the more you use it. Self-hosting is the secret. You get the free code and put it on your own server. This way, you only pay a few euros for hosting. You get unlimited automations and full control over your data. It's like learning to fish instead of buying fish every day. I'll show you step by step how to set up your own n8n server easily and quickly. Get ready to be your own boss when it comes to automation. Time for action! Let's get started right away. We're going to set up n8n on a cheap VPS, like the one from Hostinger, so we have control. You pick a basic VPS package which will cover our starting needs. You choose Ubuntu with Docker to make the setup easier. And you get your IP address, which is super important for getting in. You connect to the server with terminal or PuTTY, using the IP you just got. You run a Docker command to install n8n. You wait a few minutes while the installation finishes, and then you open your browser to the IP address 5678 to see the app. You create an admin account so you have full access, and you're all set. You've set up your own automation base at a super low cost. Congrats! Welcome to n8n. Are you ready to start your journey into the world of automation? Here, you'll find out how to turn your ideas into reality by making powerful workflows that will make your life easier and help you get more done. The dashboard is your control center, the heart of n8n. From here, you can watch, manage, and control all your workflows. It's your control panel where you can see a quick overview of what you're doing and take charge of your automations. The canvas in the middle is where you design your workflows, your creative workshop. Here you can dream up and build your automated processes, connecting nodes and making complex workflows in a simple and easy way. On the right, you'll find the nodes, your toolbox. These are the building blocks for every automation. Each node stands for a specific action or service, and you can combine them to create automations that meet all your needs. Just drag a node like Google Sheets or Gmail from the side menu onto the canvas, and connect it with other nodes to create a series of actions. On the left, the menu helps you manage workflows, organize them, and keep track of their progress. Here you can see a history of runs, find any problems, and check your credentials, making sure your automations are safe and run smoothly. At the top, the Execute Workflow button is for testing, to make sure everything works as you planned, and the Active switch is to turn on automations, bringing them to life. When it's active, the workflow runs on its own with every trigger, doing the tasks you've set up without you needing to do anything. Now you know the map. Start exploring. Begin to play around, create, and discover the endless possibilities that n8n offers you. Two main tools, templates and credentials. Templates are ready-made workflows for common tasks. You import them with one click and then change them to fit your needs. Find them in the special section. Pick the one you need and get started right away. Credentials are like your keys to connect services like Google or OpenAI. You store them safely in n8n and use them in as many workflows as you like. The process is simple and guided. You give permission once and you're all set. This way you can automate everything securely and quickly. Time for action. We're ready to turn a repeated task into an automatic process. We'll use the n8n automation platform to create a workflow that will save us time and energy. We'll build a simple workflow perfect for beginners. Don't worry if you don't have previous experience with automation. We'll guide you step by step. Our workflow will start when someone fills out a contact form on your website. Then you'll instantly get an email notification so you don't miss any important communication. The first step is to add a webhook node. This node will act as an ear and wait to receive the data sent by the contact form when someone submits it. Next, connect it to an IF node. This node will let us filter the messages we get and only trigger the notification when certain conditions are met. For example, we can filter messages and only send a notification if the message contains the word collaboration. This way, you'll only focus on the most important communications. If the condition is true, meaning if the message contains the word collaboration, then connect a send email node. This node will send you an email notification. Set up the email with dynamic fields like the sender's name and the message content. This way, each notification will be personalized and have all the necessary information. Run the workflow to test it, to make sure it works right, and then turn it on. Once it's on, the workflow will run automatically in the background. Congratulations! Now you have an automatic helper that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You'll never miss an important communication again. Just like that, you've automated a basic process and saved valuable time. This is just the beginning. With n8n, you can automate countless tasks and boost your productivity. Your journey with n8n has just begun. Try out new workflows, test out nodes, and look at templates. The n8n community is active. Find help and ideas in the official forum. With self-hosting, you have endless automations at a very low cost. You put in a little time at the start, now the possibilities are endless. You have the tools and the map. Create, automate, free up your time. n8n is a mindset. With strategy and the right tools, you can win anywhere. Good luck. See you in the next challenge.